So what is gastric band surgery? It's a surgery that makes your stomach shrink. The idea behind that is if I have smaller stomach, I'm going to eat less. And because of that, I'm going to lose weight. However, it's not that easy, because I've got clients who come back to me and they said they just had the surgery, but no consultation about food, about the relationship with food. So that's why I'm not doing any physical surgery, but I'm doing hypnotic surgery. And because I'm calling it Hypnotic Gastric Band Plus, that plus stands for mindset. Because we all need to change the way of thinking. Our thinking is not going to change only because we had something done to our body. Maybe we think it's going to change for so short time. But then, what if the cravings come back? What if we still have to eat everything from our plate? What if we suffer because everybody else is eating burgers and we are not? So it's changing the way of thinking. That's the plus, that's the mindset, that's the relationship with food. Because as well as eating still less, you have to change the way that you eat. So I don't know if you're still eating the ultra processed food, but would be so much better if you start looking at healthier options. And the Hypnotic Gastric Band Plus, it's helping you to change your mindset, reprogram your beliefs around food and about yourself and about your past as well. Because how often do we have that belief that we have to clean a plate, that we have it from our childhood? How often do we believe that if we go out, we have to always eat food because somebody else prepared it, so we have to please people? So all of this and many, many more aspects of your mindset are going to be looked at and maybe reprogrammed, changing the habits, creating, because programming, it's habit. It's how you can change your habits for better outcome. And this is what we are going to do in that process. So in 3 sessions, first 2 about mindset, third about hypnotic surgery, we are going to tackle the many aspects of your food and yourself.